guys! Good morning! So here is our breakfast prepared by me. So this is what I usually have for breakfast. Ayan, meron tayong egg, sausage, and bread. Tapos, my usual drink is of course matcha. So yeah, let's eat! Guys, good morning. It's already 6:30 in the morning and we are about to have a run. Actually, tatamad ako bumangon kanina. Pero kasama ko kasi si Ate Dars. Let's go! Run! 3 km lang ako today.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, update. Wala pa akong 2 kilometers but 1.70. And nahilo ako guys. So, tapos na tayo. Guys, sayang naman yung get up natin for today. Guys, naka-shades pa tayo. Look at your shoes. Ang ganda, giving. Nahilo. Nahilo si Steve. Girl, I died! Hi guys! It's our pamper day! Magpapamanicure and pedicure tayo. I'm with Ate Dors. Hi guys! Update! So, tapos na kami magpa-manicure and pedicure. Yan! Fresh na ulit ang nails. Ayan, toes ko. Ayan, Japan Home Center to. Magtitingin ako ng matcha glass tsaka matcha container. Tier 3! Ano ibig sabihin nun? Angel number 2! Angel number 2! Inquiry! Positivity! Hi guys! Update! So, nag-order kami ng Starbucks bagong Owen. It's already 3:30. And siya yun, may gusto ng Starbucks. Libre naman, so... Okay. Thank you, Ate Dors, for my Starbucks! Beautiful, beautiful matcha. Cheers! So, meron din tayo, guys. This pistachio cream bar. Let's try it! Chop chop. As a pistachio bar lover. Okay lang. Pero medyo matabang yung chocolate cake. No? Hi guys, it's already 6:55 and kakatapos ko lang maligo. And now, magdi-dinner na tayo. Let's go! Hi guys! I'm currently here at Nitori. Naghahanap ako ng matcha tea canister. And kaya ganito guys yung look ko kasi kakatapos lang namin mag-workout. Ito naman yung get-up ko. I found it! My temporary case can finally retire. So these are the cases that we got. So nice! Actually guys, iniisip ko if like yung same design sa old phone case ko, which is this one. Ganitong design yung kunin ko ulit. Kasi sobrang favorite ko tong design na to. Like, I feel like walang makaka-top sa design na to. But cute naman din to for a change.